Keeping the Galaxy S24 screen on allows for easy, continuous access to notifications and active apps, improving productivity by keeping information visible without needing to unlock the device frequently. Here's how to do it. First, open the app drawer and tap on Settings. In Settings, scroll down and select Display. Next, scroll down to find and tap on Screen Timeout. Choose 10 minutes as your timeout duration. Now, your screen will turn off after 10 minutes of inactivity. Keep in mind that every time you touch the screen, the timer resets, giving you another 10 minutes. Below the timeout options, you'll see Keep Screen On while viewing. Toggle this on to keep the screen on as long as the phone detects you're looking at it. For an additional option to keep the screen on while charging, you'll need to enable developer options. Here's how. Open Settings again, scroll all the way down, and tap on Developer Options. Then, toggle on Stay Awake to keep your screen on whenever your Galaxy S24 is connected to a charger. While these options can be useful, remember that they may use more battery, so feel free to enable them only when needed. We hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.